Seedance 2 has officially launched, and it is now available to everyone on a major platform. In my previous videos, we already saw that this tool could deliver surprisingly good results using simple text prompts and image references. Now, with Seedance 2, you can create consistent animated film scenes much more easily. You just type a simple prompt, and it can generate a 15 seconds animated scene with built-in consistency. This means you no longer have to spend hours writing long, complicated scripts or detailed prompt structures just to make a single scene work properly. It is no longer only about text prompts. If you upload reference images, you can create scenes that maintain the same character, the same look, and even the same background across different shots. And it does not stop at one character. You can add multiple characters as well, which makes it far more useful for real animation storytelling. This tool can also generate dialogue with full expressions.
랭크? 랭크! 나한테 저거니 이른다!
So in this video, we are going to properly test this model for animation videos. We will start with a simple story idea and move step by step toward complete animated scenes. To test character consistency the right way, we will first build our characters, then place them into different scenes, and see whether the model can keep the results consistent every time. Follow each stage carefully, and by the end, you will understand exactly how to control consistency from start to finish. So don't skip any part of this video. For this video, I will use OpenArt for all types of image and video generation on a single platform. On the home page, you will see a variety of tools: story, video, image, character, and audio generation. The best part is that you can access unlimited Seedance 2 generations by subscribing to the Wonder Yearly Plan, which currently offers a 60% discount for a limited time. Open the link given in the description and subscribe to this plan to access unlimited generations. Let's start testing the Seedance 2 model inside OpenArt. Click on the Video option and select the Text to Video tool. Here, we have two options: Start and End Frame and Text Prompt with Image Reference. First, we will test the text with Reference tool. Make sure that the Seedance 2 model is selected from the Model tab. Here, I have pasted a story idea to generate a video in a 90s-style anime format. A woman in her late 20s who works as a train conductor on a quiet countryside railway. One evening, a passenger boards her train who shouldn't exist, a man listed as deceased 10 years ago. Keep the sound option on. We have two modes, fast and normal. I will select the fast mode. From the aspect ratios, I will choose the landscape format and set the resolution to 720p. Since this is a complete story idea, I will generate a 15-second video. Here, you can see the credit consumption. Now click on the Generate button and wait for a couple of minutes. And here is the final output video. This scene looks great, with smooth transitions, proper camera angles, natural train movement, and consistent characters with expressive details. If we look closely at the background, it remains consistent and smoothly transitions from day to night without disturbing the scene elements. The sound also matches the visuals very well. Now, let's test this tool for generating consistent scenes using reference images. Click on the Characters tab, and then click on the Create button. Here, we have several options to upload characters, objects, backgrounds, and styles. First, select the Character option. Then choose the first option. Now upload your character image. Based on my story, I have uploaded an image of a fisherman with a white background. Give your character a name. You can also describe your story, but that is optional. Click on the Create button, and your character will be saved in the asset library. Next, I will again select the Create option and upload a second character image to test multiple character consistency. You can upload more images from different angles, but I will stick to one image for now. Give this character a name and save it to your library. To keep things simple, I will upload a background image as the main setting for our story. Now everything is uploaded. You can add more objects, backgrounds, and styles if needed. Just make sure to name them properly so you can access them later. Now I will select the main character and the background image. I will paste a simple scene prompt, a character walking along a wet shoreline, collecting strange washed-up objects, old letters, a rusted pocket watch, a broken compass, a small child's wooden toy partially buried in the sand, and subtle footprints nearby. As you can see, the prompt is simple, without any camera details or complex instructions. I will choose the landscape aspect ratio in 720p resolution and set the scene duration to 8 seconds. Click on the Generate button and wait for a couple of minutes. And here is the final output generated by this model. The same background, the same character, perfect camera movement, and matching background sound. The prompt is followed accurately. For the next scene, I will go to the Character tab and select our second character, as this scene will include both characters with the same background. I will adjust the video duration to 5 seconds and click the Generate button. Look at the output. Both characters are perfectly placed within the scene. So now, generating consistent character animations has become much easier. This tool also handles dialogue very well. Even though I did not include any dialogue, it automatically generated a scene that fits the story.
랭크? 랭크! 난데 저거니 이른다!
By following these simple steps, you can create multiple consistent character animation videos using the Seedance 2 model. What do you think about this tutorial? Share your thoughts in the comments section. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.